So now we have 100 minus 17. So if this is your problem, think about how we can solve it. Garrison, what do you think?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you had. I'll give us a couple minutes. All right, Stephanie, what do you think?
Well, I think the answer is 86.
Okay. Any other answers that you want to chart? Hardy?
83.
Okay. Anybody else? Sydney?
81.
Okay. Garrison?
84.
Okay. Taryn? Okay, so do you guys remember we talked about thumb to chest means I have a strategy, and then this means I have a strategy and I'm willing to share. Remember, all of our answers doesn't mean they're all right, but it means we're going to accept all of them, respect them, and consider them before we decide whether or not they're incorrect or correct. And then we always learn better together, right? So we're going to listen, discuss. Okay, so last time we talked about taking some numbers. We started with a big number and we subtracted one. Today we're going to start off a little bit, we're going to back up a little bit. And I want you to tell me what you know about these two numbers. Remember? This means I have something to say, this means I want to share. Alright, Sydney, what do you know?
That we're doing an addition, so that means we're adding the two numbers together.
What do they add? What do they equal?
10.
Okay. So if we add 7 plus 3, it equals 10. Do we all agree?
Yes.
What do you know about this? Think for just a minute. This means I have a strategy. This means I want to share. Alright, Stephanie, what do you think?
We're going to be adding all those three numbers together.
Okay, what is it equal?
15.
How do you know?
Because we did 7 plus 3, that's 10, and then you add the 10 to the 5.
Okay, so she took this 7 and this 3 and made it 10. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Disagree? Okay. And then what did you do with that 5?
I added it to 10.
You took the 5 and added. Any questions? Agree, disagree? Any other answers to consider? Do you have another answer?
No, I have a strategy.
Alright. Alright, Hardy, start us off.
So I did 100 minus 20, and then I added 3.
Alright, let's do 100 minus 20. What did you get?
I got 80.
Okay. And then tell us what else you did.
I added 3 more.
Can you tell us why? To 80? Did you add 80 plus 3? Why did you do that?
Because
Oh, what is 80 plus 3? I'm sorry.
83.
Okay.
Because 100 minus 20 would be 80, and you just have to add 3 because it's 17.
Where'd you get that 3 from?
The 17.
Okay, let's add on. Does anyone want to add on to what Hardy is saying? Sydney?
So I think how we got the 3 is like doing 17, 18, 18, 19, 20 up to 20. Since
So you took that 17, and what did you add to it?
I added 3 to it.
Where'd y'all? Is that similar to something we just did, Taryn? before this problem, was there something that we did?
You minus 20.
I mean, before we wrote this problem, do you remember what we did with 7 and 3? Yeah. Do you remember what we did with 7 and 3? What did we do, Stephanie?
We added 7 plus 3 and they gave us 10.
Okay, and here what did we do?
We added another 10 to the 7 and we added it with the 3 and it got 20.
Okay. Does anyone want to come up with a different strategy? Taryn?
Well, I didn't do it like